Alright, hi, I'm skipping chapter 13. To do later, it's a little longer. I'm trying to do small sections right here. Chapter 14, 238, Passenger Equipment Safety Standards, Subpart C, Specific Requirements of the Terrier 1 Passenger Equipment, and 238 to 331, Braking System, Subpart D, Inspection Testing, Maintenance Requirements of the Terrier Passenger Equipment. Alright, 238, Passenger Equipment Safety Standards Operational Practice should reference the Motive Power and Equipment Compliance Manual for the general guidance regarding Part 238. Inspectors must thoroughly review the air brake and the train handling rules, operating rules regarding the intercity passenger commuter operation of railroads in their inspection territories. The Motive Power and Equipment Inspectors have the primary responsibility for the enforcement of the Part 283 Operating Practice. Inspector conducting the inspection under the Part 238 should reference the Operation Practice Activity Code of the table of specific instructions completing the inspection reports. So Part C, the specific requirements of the Terrier Passenger Equipment. The Terrier Passenger Equipment is designed to operate at speeds not exceeding 125 all the commuter railroads that the use of the Terrier Passenger Equipment. 238, 231 brake system security of the passenger equipment should be recorded on the Operational Practice Inspector. Some of the railroad operating rules are more restrictive. The regulations require the determination how many handbrakes, parking brakes must be applied with the unintended equipment. Therefore, an uninspector operational inspector should always reference the railroad operating rules specific location all locomotives where they are used in passenger non-passenger service, either work train, stone train, extra service work train, etc. will be inspected as per Part 238. Some carriers use freight equipment and use the maintenance way of operation of those cars and such passenger train services will be inspected in Part 232. So Part D, Inspection and Testing Maintenance Requirements of the Terrier 1 Passenger Equipment. The most Terrier 1 interior calendar date mechanical inspections of most Class 1 air brake tests on a passenger equipment are conducted by the mechanical department during hours of inactivity, which is usually at night. Normally, these inspections are conducted by the Operational Practice Inspectors only while accompanying the FRA Motive Power and Inspector. The Operational Practice Inspector can expect to see Class 2 brake tests performed in terminal stations where the trains can be changed direction, number, or running brake tests performed after the departure from the terminal or crew changes.